Arrive in style with this 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD work truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 4-wheel disc brakes, air conditioning, brake assist, electronic stability control, front center armrest with storage, low tire pressure warning, overhead console, speed control and tilt steering wheel. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.